here is the same everywhere in PEI.
It's terrible. The wind's in your face, you can't see at all. It wasn't too bad coming down, it was up my back, but now it's straight in my face, and it's terrible out. I was going to get a taxi home, but I said, the hell with it.
Was it worth coming out?
Oh yeah, the coffee was worth it, yeah.
I'm good at falling. I try to relax, when I fall, and so I haven't broken any bones today. Yeah.
As you look up and down the streets, describe what the visibility is like at points.
Where's the streets?
I woke up this morning and looked out the window. I said, I can see how bad it was. Put on my warmest clothes and took a walk and discovered that it resembles a ghost town.
Yeah, it's really, really stressful, and I would really, really recommend everyone to stay at home if possible.
This is just happening now, or a few minutes ago?
Yeah.
So
pretty much. We're just going home, really.